Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two dash cameras that are sure to elevate your driving experience. On the left, we have the PRUVEEO D90-4CH, and on the right, we have the Miden S7 dual dash camera. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality. The PRUVEEO D90-4CH boasts a quad FHD 1920*1080p resolution, capturing sharper movies and images even at high speeds. Plus, its 150-degree super wide-angle lens ensures that you don't miss a single detail. On the other hand, the Miden S7 takes it up a notch with Ultra HD 2.5K front video and FHD 1080p rear video. Talk about crystal clear footage. And with its 176-degree wide-angle front camera and 160-degree wide-angle rear camera, you can say goodbye to blind spots. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The PRUVEEO D90-4CH features an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights, ensuring superior image performance even in the darkest of nights. You'll feel like you have headlights on your dash cam. Meanwhile, the Miden S7 takes night vision to a whole new level with its f1.5 aperture, industry-leading CMO sensor, and WDR technology. It captures small details like license plates with remarkable clarity. Say goodbye to blurry nighttime footage. It's time to explore the extra features that make these dash cams stand out. The PRUVEEO D90-4CH comes equipped with built-in GPS, allowing you to precisely pinpoint your location, speed, and routes in real time. Perfect for those who love to keep track of their adventures. On the other hand, the Miden S7 offers a 3-axis G sensor and accident lock feature. This means that in the event of a collision, the camera automatically saves and locks the video as evidence. Talk about having your back. But wait, there's more. The Miden S7 also comes with a parking monitor that detects vibrations and starts recording when your vehicle is parked. Say goodbye to those pesky parking lot incidents. The PRUVEEO D90-4CH and the Miden S7 are both fantastic dash cams, but they excel in different areas. If you're looking for top-notch video quality and night vision, the Miden S7 is the way to go. But if built-in GPS and all-around performance are your priorities, then the PRUVEEO D90-4CH is the perfect choice. Remember, always consider your specific needs and budget when making a purchasing decision. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart, where we help you buy with confidence. Stay tuned for more product comparisons and reviews. Drive safe and see you next time.